So I had a small setback with this. So I've noticed something happening very strange with this. So if you guys watched the other videos, you'll know I had a coil and a coil, a magnet and a magnet set up in this. And I was designating this as cylinder 1. That was attached to the Magneto section of the stock part of the case, and cylinder 2 on the opposite side of where the clutch is. So what was happening is this would turn on stock settings on cylinder 1, fire it, just at top dead center roughly, and then the second one would fire the next one at top dead center, and these are 3.5 degrees offset from each other. So what I started noticing is I put the clutch in the other day and stuff, and I could spin this faster. This one was firing a second spark the same time that one was, and for a second I said, wait a minute. So I tested it and all that, and what I found was this. At first I thought maybe one coil was feeding the other or something, and that was not the case. But what I noticed is this would hit bottom dead center and just start to come up spark, top dead center spark like it's supposed to, which was dead in tune with cylinder 2. What happened was the magnet goes around, and the second magnet, I guess, says it would speed up a little more RPM, because I've only put gas just in this, spun it over, sparked it, and it fired, and, for a minute, just to see if it would kick over. But if I was to run this as it is, when the pipe would shoot the unburnt fuel mix back in as it was doing its cycle, it would fire that. So I'd end up with it firing almost at just coming up from bottom dead center. So that isn't going to work. And I had someone say, oh, it's like a Harley. Well, no. Harleys are 4 strokes, and yeah, they fire twice, but that's a whole other thing. There's no fuel and stuff in that chamber at the time. It's expelling exhaust as it fires the second time, so totally different thing. But even with the magnet out, it's picking up the eddy field of that magnet and firing twice. Oh, that is not a good thing. So this was definitely a failure with the 2 Magnetos. Yeah, that sucks, right? Well, I'm gonna have to make like an aluminum wheel with a magnet and do like a Hall effect type sensor setup where it fires each one as the magnet passes the switch, kind of deal. Now I do have one, except the problem that I just ran into, and as I was looking at it, I'm like, okay, it's freaking AC current, not DC, the one that I have. So I can't really use it for this application. So if anyone knows of like some ignition system stuff that I can use off, say, 6 to 12 volts that I can run basically with a switch, right? I'm going to use a magnetic switch, I guess. But yeah, just let me know. That's where I'm at. I mean, like everything, there's always a few setbacks and stuff with building something new like this. But yeah, as you speed it up, as I was running it over with the impact gun on the clutch shaft, because now I get more RPM, I was noticing the second spark. So when I tested everything, yeah, these 2 were sparking at the same time, and then this one top dead center. So, damn. Alright, but yeah, if anyone knows any good coil setups and stuff, let me know. I have not run into anything that is decent. A lot of DIY stuff with, shady instructions and a lot of the stuff that you buy basically has, next to nothing for info on it, or if it'll even work for this type of deal. But yeah, let me know. Alright, but that's where I'm at. So I'll have to find a ignition system for this. On a bright note too, I mean, even though the ignition system is you're still gonna finish that clutch shaft, get that all done. I'm gonna do all the intakes and figure out the exhaust still while we're getting something together to get that part going. So, like always, there's something that you gotta figure out. So, alright.